Oh, morning. 3:30. Time to rock and roll. Reese's on his way. He's got some big block ice. All the fish we're not going to catch. Right, in the water.
You're on. Oh, come on. Did you get a hit? Where are they? Oh, you're on! I've seen that! Yes, Reese! Woo!
Oh, got off.
Oh, Reese! That was a GT, man.
No, that was long.
Oh, was it?
I reckon.
Looked round to me.
Oh, I don't know.
That was the fish on that pack. We won't get another hit now. Oh, look at the bait here. Look at him. Fuck, Reese. Oh, they're right there now. Oh. Ah. Come on. From what I saw, it looked like round. Really? Big Spano? Yep. Oh! Yeah! I'm gonna try and go for a double, bro. GT. Hey? Have a G, wouldn't it? Oh, is it? Yeah, they don't fight quite as hard, do they?
No.
Still fun though.
No.
Bro, can you drive off this rock? Oh no, we're drifting anyway, so oh! Get ready, Greg. Yes! Yes! Oh! He's only small, man. Fuck me. Oh. He's dead. Oh, he's bait. Told you. Ready? Oh, jeez. He's not ready, eh?
Nah. He's giving you a workout.
Can you get him or not? I can't see what's going on. Oh, there you go. Just work him up, bro. By the lure. Whee! He's alright.
Not bad.
Hey, little bubby. Alright, get a casting, bro. There's fucking bait everywhere.
You have to use yours.
Use this if you want. Yes, thank you. Yes. He's only small, eh? Oh.
Big balls.
Big boils?
Oh.
Oh!
Fuck.
Get back in there, bro. We got the 100 grammer on, Reese flicking the 60. I reckon we're on here. Haven't been able to catch a cold at all today. Finally got one. Yoo-hoo! Send it. Yoo-hoo! Oh! Yo! Oh! Oh, he's going again. Look, look.
Yeah.
Fuck, how loose is that drag? Oi! Yeah, they're hard. You got to sort of. You on?
What are you going to do to get this thing working?
What?
Oh, I think it's
Yeah. Oh, you're kidding me! At the boat! At the boat! He's only small, man. Oh. Fuck, they go alright, eh? Oh, is that a... That's a...
That's golden.
Very yellow.
A bit of a golden trevally.
Or one of them bludgers.
Oh yeah.
It is too. Same one we got last time. I thought it was golden, but they're
Oh, golden got the bottom.
yeah, they got that big sucker lip fucking thing going. Holy fuck! He's got some pretty colours in it, man. I don't know what these ones are called, bludger or something. It's got some fucking sick colours in it, dude. On the little 60. That's sick. Laters, do you want this rod?
No, I'll just put one on.
Let's see if they want a bit of pop. Oh! Jesus! Oh, is that Spanish? Fuck, that was sick! Nah, it's GT. It's gotta be a GT, doesn't it?
Fuck yeah.
It's only small. Be stoked if it. Nah, it has to be a GT. Probably one of them bludgers. That's a banger. That's a banger. Little darky. Yeah, it's that time of day. That was sick on the little 60 grammer. Fuck, that was cool. That is sick. Oh, Jesus Christ. There we go. Little banger on the 60. Happy days, happy days. What's going on here, Reese?
Alright. Fucking bullshit.
How have you not hooked one? There they are at the back there. Oh, at the back I heard him. Oh! You're fucking kidding me.
Oh,
You are... Oh, fuck, bro.
fucking line.
Oh, yeah, here, Reese. Oh, bit of tango. What is happening? They're only rats though, eh? Oh, hey? Yeah. Oh. Oh. He is. When they go down, man, they're fucking hard. Oh, like that. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. No, no. Oh my God. There he is. Hooked in the nose. Oh! Woo! That was lucky. Bend it. Yeah. Get him, Reese. Holy shit, man. Oh, my leader, bro, he's fucking annoying. Oh! You're kidding! You are kidding me, man! What the fuck, Reese?
What is going on?
What is going? I was in nowhere near the bait or anything then. Oh, fuck, that rod digs into you. Ugh. I'm gonna sit down after this.
You didn't even get one on your fucking rod.
Oh, this cunt's towing the boat, man. Nah, he's pretty small, I think. Oh, fuck, the old groin's getting a plunging. Oh, I think I'm just getting tired. Oh, fuck, man. Gimbal would be nice about now. He's bigger than the last one. Oh! Another rat! Woo-hoo-hoo! Holy fuck! This is epic! Oh shit! Holy shit, man! Oh. Yoo-hoo! Oh, yeah, Eddie. this is big, man. Oh, this is big. Can you drive a bit? I think it's big. Yeah, this is a bit better. Oh, maybe not. Oh, maybe. I don't know what's going on. It is, man. I think. It's a mackerel. Yeah, they're all weird, aren't they? They go left, right, up, down. It's not a GT. Yeah. Fuck, I hope that's recording. Oh, maybe it is a GT. Yeah, it must be, because that's fucking... Oh my god. Oh, this is decent, bro. I'm pretty sure this is okay. Oh. Oh. Yeah, this is decent. Whew. My fucking groin is killing me. I think this is a good one. It's a GT. Yeah, it can't be a fucking Spanish. Oh no. Oh, this one is fucking feels 3 times as big as them rats. Oh yeah, a bit better. It's not massive though. It's been a while, eh? Forgot how hard the little ones even go. Got him? Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys. Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck, Brees, this is a hot little sesh, man. This is a hot little sesh. He's a bit better, eh? Look at all the little leech thingies on him. Whoa. Oh. What's that, 3rd or 4th one on the 60 gram popper? Hey! Cheers, brother.
No worries.
5:30, we're gonna get home. But it's too fucking good, Reese.
Last cast.
Last cast, Louis. What did we missed about 4 fish during the day. 1 trout. You hooked that Spanish that was too big for anything. And that was it. We're on our way home. Come across bait. And we probably smacked 10 fish between us. It's fucking awesome. How do you go home, mates? How do you go home? That's in there too.